Hello, dear kids. This is Dr. Pranjali Kapoor from Unnat Academy. Let's start with today's topic, that is main parts of sentence. So, we all know what are the two main parts of sentence? Correct, subject and predicate. All complete sentences have a subject and a predicate. When a subject and the predicate are together, they make a clause. अब हम clause के बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे, right? So we have another video for clause, right? So in this we'll study different kinds of subject and different kinds of predicate. So what are the three types of subject? Simple subject, complete subject and compound subject. And similarly we have simple predicate, complete predicate and compound predicate, right? So let's study them individually. What are they? Clause, I think you are clear with the clause part. When subject and predicate, they both come together, they make a clause. Clause, it's a word equation, right? So we have clause is equals to subject and predicate. A clause contain only one subject and one verb. ठीक है, एक सब्जेक्ट भी होना चाहिए और साथ में एक वर्ब भी होना चाहिए. इस टॉपिक को मैं आपको और क्लियर करूंगी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, दैट इज क्लॉज, राइट? बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट क्लॉज विद सम एग्जांपल्स, राइट? So every full sentence should have a clause. It is not possible to have a complete sentence without one. Sometimes a clause is only 2 words, but it can be more. I graduated last year, one clause. ठीक है, एक बार में subject भी आ गया और predicate भी आ गया, one clause. When I came here, I saw him. 2 बातें बोली हमने, when I came here and then I saw him. तब मैंने उसको देखा, ठीक? So there are 2 clauses. When I came here, I saw him and he greeted me. So there are 3 clauses in the sentence, right? Coming down to subject. A subject is a part of sentence that contain the person or thing performing action or verb इन अ सेंटेंस. ठीक है, जो भी सब्जेक्ट में क्या होता है, जिस पर्सन की हम बात कर रहे हैं जो कि टास्क को परफॉर्म कर रहा है, एक्शन कर रहा है, वर्ब शुड बी देयर. ठीक है, जो भी वर्ब का वो काम कर रहा है, उस पर्सन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो दैट इज अ सब्जेक्ट. नाउ सब्जेक्ट हैज 3 पार्ट्स: simple subject, compound subject and complete subject. When we say simple subject, a simple subject is the main word that tells what a sentence is about. किसके बारे में sentence है. The big dog went to the county fair. So it's a simple sentence. एक dog है, big dog है जो कि county fair में गया, right? Another compound subject. जब हम compound subject की बात कर रहे हैं, when 2 or more subject in a sentence use the same verb, it makes a compound subject. So what is the example? The big dog and the small cat went to the county fair. दो की बात कर रहे हैं, dog की भी और cat की भी. So it's a compound subject. Next is a complete subject. complete subject क्या होता है? इसमें तो individually हम underline करते हैं dog को, cat को, when we talk, right? And in complete subject it includes all the words that tell us about what a sentence is about, right? The big dog and the small cat went to the county fair. So we have underlined big dog and small cat. So it's a complete subject, right? Please do like and subscribe my channel. Next is predicate. A predicate tells what the subject does and always need a verb. Often the predicate is just a verb. ठीक है, हम सिर्फ verb की बात करते हैं और that verb is a predicate. ठीक है, subject क्या काम कर रहा है, क्या action कर रहा है, that is a predicate. So again we have three types of predicates: simple predicate, compound predicate and complete predicate. तो simple predicate क्या होता है? The simple predicate is the sentence main verb or verb phrase and nothing else. So the dog went to the county fair. So went is simple predicate. जा रहा है काम, ठीक है, action हो रहा है, good. So it's a simple predicate. When we talk about compound predicate, it includes two or more verbs that have same subject and are connected by conjunctions. Conjunctions पढ़े थे? And, but, or, ठीक है? तो and it can include words beside the verb but doesn't include conjunction. ठीक है? Verb को include करेंगे but उसमें conjunction को include नहीं करेंगे. The dog went to the county fair and then ate popcorn. The dog did two things. Went to the county fair, so it's a predicate, and then ate popcorn. And को include नहीं करेंगे, then ate popcorn को include करेंगे. So it's a compound predicate. Compound का मतलब क्या होता है? दो चीजों का mixture, right? तो compound predicate. Next is complete predicate. A complete predicate includes all the verbs and other details about it in the sentence. The dog went to the county fair. हमने simple में क्या underline किया था? Went. ठीक है, लेकिन हम complete में क्या underline करेंगे? Went to the county fair. Right? So it's a complete predicate. As you see, it includes only the verb went, but to the county fair as well, because those words all tell about what is happening in the sentence. ठीक है, क्या काम हो रहा है वो पूरा include करता है in a complete predicate, right? Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you so much for watching, and please do write to me at academyunnat@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.